Rich, silky and full of pistachio flavor, this no-bake biscuit cake is made with a smooth éclair-style cream, layers of milk-soaked biscuits and a generous finish of pistachio throughout. Make the pistachio éclair cream. In a bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, sugar and cornstarch until smooth. In a saucepan, add the milk and heavy cream and heat until warm but not boiling. Gradually pour the warm milk mixture into the yolk mixture while whisking continuously, then return everything to the saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the cream thickens. Add the pre-soaked gelatin and stir until fully melted and combined. Then add the soft butter and pistachio paste, mixing until smooth. Blend or strain if needed for an extra silky texture. Cover the cream with plastic wrap directly touching the surface so it does not form a skin, then let it cool completely. Fold in the whipped heavy cream until smooth, light and fully combined. Assemble the cake. Dip the biscuits briefly in milk and arrange them in the bottom of your dish or cake mold. Spread a layer of the Pistachio Éclair cream on top, then sprinkle with pistachios. Repeat the layers with more dipped biscuits, more cream, and more pistachios. Finish with a final layer of cream and a generous sprinkle of pistachios on top. Refrigerate overnight so the cake can fully set and the biscuits can soften into the cream. This dessert is creamy, nutty and beautifully layered with a delicate texture and a rich pistachio flavor in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video and follow Chic Vibes for more easy and delicious desserts.